Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning more of the common parts of the body in Filipino. It could be fun to know them and use them when talking to locals. Starting with buhok. This is hair in English. Buhok. 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 Ang haba ng buhok mo. Wow, ang kintab ng buhok niya. Kamay. This translates to hand. Kamay. 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 Ang lambot ng kamay mo. Ang gaspang ng kamay mo. The next one is tiyan, which is belly or stomach. Tiyan. 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 Ang laki ng tiyan niya. Masakit ang tiyan ko. Leeg is neck in English. Leeg. 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 Mahaba ang leeg mo. Ang kinis ng leeg niya. The last one is paa. This is feet. Paa. 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 Mabaho ang paa mo. Maghugas ka ng paa. These are just some of the most common parts of the body in Filipino. Let's practice how to say them again. This translates to hair. Buhok. This translates to hand. Kamay. This is belly, stomach. Tiyan. This translates to neck. Leeg. This translates to feet. Paa. I hope you find these words useful the next time you have a chance to talk to locals. Try using them and surprise some Filipinos. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.